Hi guys, I'm Matthew and I've recently joined the consumer marketing team of DSP. So while researching about the firm, I did get to know about the 150-year history of the firm and how true the company has been in this 150 years and how ethical they have been in terms of covering all the business cycles. DSP just doesn't believe in a decorative bottom line, but it empowers investors to invest the right way and the good way. The leadership brass, whom I have met in the office, they come across as stalwarts in the respective field in which they are. But they are very humble in nature in terms of letting people settle the right way. In terms of work colleagues, in my last 2 weeks, I can see how helpful, how cohesive they are in terms of helping the person settle in the work which he is doing. On a personal level, I would wish to grow with the firm, do some qualitative and impactful work, and make differences in the life of people and making them invest and grow their money the right way. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.